Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. This is part 1 on my tutorial on how to crochet Florina 1 jumper. In this tutorial I will navigate you how to follow the pattern instruction with 2D diagram and step by step how to start and finish the round. This PDF provides step-by-step instructions on how to crochet Florina 1 jumper. This pattern is available to purchase on my website, Ravelry and Etsy platforms. In this project, I've used yarn Metallica by Hobbii, categorized as medium group 4. Exactly the same yarn is named Melody by Yarn Art. And I use a hook size 5mm. Before you begin the project, I would recommend crocheting a swatch sample to make sure your tension is 14 treble crochet in width and 8 treble crochet in length UK terms, and 14 double crochet in width and 8 double crochet in length US terms. Like I mentioned earlier, I used hook size 5mm for this project, but the hook size is only suggestion. Adjust your tension by using different hook sizes. If you have too many stitches per 10 cm, use a larger hook size. If you have too few stitches per 10 cm, use a smaller hook size. If you look at this photo, we can see that it's important to create your swatch sample before you begin a big project. If we look at these 3 swatches, we can see that they are different in size. All 3 of them were crocheted with the same yarn and the same stitch design, as well as all 3 have equal amount of stitches and rows. If you make just a scarf or a blanket, it could be fine because you can easily add width or links to the project. But if you're crocheting a jumper, dress or cardigan, it could create frustration as it can turn too small or too big. Of course, a larger item isn't a huge problem because you could still fit as an oversized creation and still be wearable in comparison to a small one. The golden rule is to create a sample with the recommended hook size first. If it isn't a match to the pattern tension or gauge, work out your tension before you begin the project. And after that, you should have a perfect finished item that can fit. This pattern was written using UK and US terms on different pages. Make sure you print the correct pages before you begin the project. On the second page, you can also find abbreviation and QR code for the tutorial page. You can follow written instruction together with 2D diagrams. Here you can see chains, row 1, row 2, and so on. In this video, I will cover part 1 only, 6 rows. And in my next video, I will cover from row 7 to row 24. And I think it's time to begin our project. First, we create a slip knot and work the required amount of chain stitches according to your size. When you're chaining up, the best thing is to use stitch markers every 10 stitches or every 20 stitches. Just a reminder, we never count stitch on the hook. Also, when you are chaining up, make sure your chain stitches are not too tight. Before joining your chains together in a round, I would suggest placing your work on the table and straighten the chain lines before joining both ends together to ensure your chain work is not twisted, and after join with a slip stitch. To begin first round, chain 3 and work 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns into each chain stitch. You should have in total 96, 100, 400, 12, 120, 128 of double crochet US turns or treble crochet UK turns according to your size. 3 chain stitches at the beginning of the round count as 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns. When you come to the end of the round, make sure you finish with a slip stitch into the 3rd chain stitch at the beginning of the round. If it's not easy to get into the 3rd chain stitch, you can take a hook size smaller to complete the slip stitch. To begin round 2, chain 1 and turn your work, or turn your work and chain 1 and work 1 double crochet UK turns or 1 single crochet US turns into a second stitch from the hook. By turning your work around, it will be easier insert your hook into a stitch. Chain 4, skip 3, and work 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns into a stitch. Chain 4, skip 3, and work 1 double crochet UK turns or 1 single crochet US turns into a stitch. Repeat the pattern to the end of the round. When you come to the end of the round, chain 4, skip 3, and work 1 slip stitch into 1 double crochet UK turns or 1 single crochet US turns. To begin a new round, chain 6 and turn your work and work 1 double crochet UK turns or 1 single crochet US turns into a stitch. Chain 3 and work 1 double crochet UK turns or 1 single crochet US turns into the same stitch. Chain 3, skip all chain stitches and work 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns into a stitch. Chain 3, again skip all the chain stitches and work 1 double crochet UK turns or 1 single crochet US turns into a stitch. Chain 3 and work 1 double crochet UK turns or 1 single crochet US turns into the same stitch. Your work at the beginning will look something like that. And here you can see larger piece. And at the end of the round, finish with the slip stitch into a third chain stitch. To begin round 4, turn your work and chain 1 or chain 1 and turn your work and work 1 double crochet UK turns or 1 single crochet US turns into a second stitch from the hook. And work double treble crochet UK turns or treble crochet US turns around the loop. If you've never done this stitch before, we're working yarn over twice into loop, pull through 2 stitches once, pull through 2 stitches again, and pull through last 2 stitches. This is how we create the stitch. Once again, yarn over twice into the loop, pull through the loop, pull through 2 stitches, pull through 2 stitches again, and pull through last 2 stitches. After completing 3 tall stitches, chain 2 and work once again 3 times double treble crochet UK turns or 3 times treble crochet US turns. Please remember to count your stitches regularly. If you make any mistake, you can change without unraveling too many stitches or rows. Repeat the pattern to the end of the round. After you completed the round, after you completed your last flower, insert your hook into one double crochet UK turns or one single crochet US turns you created at the beginning of the round and finish with the slip stitch. And we have completed round number 4. To begin round number 5, turn your work and chain 3 or chain 3 and turn your work. 3 chain stitches at the beginning of the round count as 1 double crochet US turns or 1 treble crochet UK turns. Make sure you skip 1 stitch at the beginning and after you work 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns into a stitch. After you work another 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns into another stitch. After you work 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns around the 2 chain stitches and chain 2 and work 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns around 2 chain stitches and work 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns into next 3 stitches. Skip 1 and work 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns into next 3 stitches. Continue with the pattern to the end of the round. Please remember to count your stitches. If you make any mistake, you can change without unraveling many stitches or rows. At the end of the round, make sure you finish with the slip stitch into a 3rd chain stitch. To begin round number 6, chain 8. Skip 4 and work 1 double crochet UK turn, so 1 single crochet US turns around 2 chain stitches. Chain 5, skip 4 and work 1 treble crochet UK turn, so 1 double crochet US turns between 2 stitches. Repeat the pattern and finish with the 1 slip stitch into a 3rd chain stitch at the end of the round. Part 1 of this project has come to the end. Thank you for watching. I hope you have had a great experience. I'm looking forward to work with you on the following tutorial. For those who are new to my channel, if you like to see more videos in the future, please subscribe to be notified when I add a new video. Enjoy your day or evening, and I will see you soon.